Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to do Meet Cosmo normal. So first you're going to talk to him. You can read it if you want. I'm not going to do it. You're going to get this water pail and you're going to fill these crops and make them grow. And then this is just a tutorial on how to complete Meet Cosmo basically. So we're just going to go up here. We're going to get this and everything. It's not that hard. If you want to play the hard version, you can. I'm not. I'm playing the normal one, which I think is okay. And there's some cool items you can get when you completed it. So we're gonna keep going. I think there's one more up here. Yes. And then there's one more down below. I gotta get the water for it. So we're gonna go right down here, past this. Gonna go down, go away this way, go down. And I'll be right here. Put that there. All right, and then we're going back to Cosmo and talking to him. He's up this way. He's mixing a pot of something. In a minute, you'll find out what he's mixing. So we're going to go. I'm just going to press X. We're going to need honey. Honey is this way. You just go down this way. All right, go down this way. Here's the honey. Grab the honey. We're going to go right back up to him because we got to give him the honey. And then we're gonna have to get the nectar and the chomper seeds, and I'll show you where that is. So give that to him. Now we need the nectar and chomper seeds. So you're gonna go past the radishes up here where it says welcome. You're gonna go in. You're gonna go over to here. Nectar's right there. Click on it. And then you're gonna be going out this way. You're gonna go towards him and give this to him, and then we have to get the chomper seed. And I'll show you where that is. It's in the same little house we were just in to get the nectar. So we're going to go down this way, back into his house, and we're going to go up, and there it is. Collect that, and then we're going to go out and give it to him. All right, so let's take this to him. He's going to ask for certain vegetables and the colors. He'll tell you what kind of colors he wants. All right, so we need an orange. Orange vegetable, which is a carrot, and carrots are down this way. Go around this way. Here are the carrots. You just click on it. Then you go up. We're going to give this to him. All right. So first vegetable. And we need small red fruit, which is strawberry. So we need a strawberry. Give this to him. Okay. And we're going to need a yellow vegetable, and it's going to be a corn. Corn is down this way. Here's the corn. We're going to grab some corn. We're going to go back up and give this to him down this way. Oop, my bad, I went the wrong way. Okay. And now we're going to get beets. This pink. You said pink, red, and pink, but it's the same, and red and pink. So, okay. So we got these. We're going to collect some of these right here. And then we got to explode this right here. I'm going to grab some more because there's phantoms. And we're going to kill a phantom right now. Okay, there's one. Get this one. Okay, so we got it. I'm gonna get some more. I need some more. Alright. Going through the tall grass. Gonna grab some more. Okay, good. Go up this way. Okay. So I am going to kill this phantom right here. So we're going to up this way. I'm going to go through the grass. We're going to need to do this to get up to the first cavern. So you're going to go this one, this one, this one, this one, and then this one. Alright. So that's the pattern. So basically, you're just going to explode that, grab some more, get down there. We have to unlock this koala's cage, and it shows you where the key is. Explode that one. Here's the key. I'm going to grab it. We're going to go unlock that poor koala who's been locked in there for years. I'm just kidding, probably not years, I don't know. Unlock that, so we're going to go through this little entrance. And then we're going to go down this way. And we're going to kill some phantoms. Alright. We're going to go down this and we're going to explode. Explode it. I'm going to collect these coins. And then I'm going to get some more of the bomb plant. Alright, let's see. Let's go down here and get it. And of course, we're going to explode, which kills it in the end. I want to get rid of this one. Come on. Come on, little phantom. Come on. Alright, there we go. So we're going to need to kill this. Okay, good. We got it. I'm going to go down this way and kill this. And I'm going to collect more because I don't have any more. I don't need that, but okay. So we're going to find the last entrance. Kill that. The last entrance to the cavern is right here. Okay. So you're going to go to this panda by the red tree. As you can see, there's a bridge here and we can't cross. So you're going to go over to this koala that says Isaac. You're going to click him. Then you're going to want to go down this way. So yeah, kill that and everything. You're going to come down here and you're going to go up this ladder right here. You're going to go up. We're going to go to Tobias and Zazie. Zazie's first. You click on her. She wants a banana. So this is where the bananas are. You're going to go down here. All right. Go down right here. We're going to go up this way to where the bananas are. So you just go around this way, past the bridge we're working on, go up further, and keep going. Just if you need to rewind this to see how I'm going, you can. You're going to go in this beautiful, and you're going to press yes, get the banana, get some more of these. Then we're going to go down and give her the banana because she wanted a banana, and then we'll get our wood, the timber for the bridge that we need. So we're going to go way down again. It's a long way, I know. It's a long way. So we're going to go back up here and give this to her. All right. Give this to her. So we get the timber. We're going to go give this to Isaac or Isaiah. I can't remember the koala's name. Okay. Don't hate on me. I don't remember his name. But anyway, so we're going to take this up to here, past that. We're going to give this to him. And then we're going to go back there, and a story above is Tobias, and once we go to him, he'll give us the rope for exchange for an apple. So the apples are right by that koala by the bridge. So you're going to go through here, you're going to go up here, click on him. We need an apple. So we're going to go down again, go down this ladder, and then we're going to go this way. All right, this way, and we're going to get an apple because apples are this way. Yep, right there. Click on the apple, you get an apple. Then we're going to go back and give this to him. He'll give us the rope so we can cross over and go into the cavern. So yeah, so we're going to go up here again. Go up here. And then we're going to go up here, give this to him, get the rope. Then we're going to go back to that koala by the bridge and give it to him, and the bridge will be fixed, and we can go across it to the next cavern. So, okay, so let's give Isaac the rope. Alright, so give it to him. The bridge is fixed, and we can go in here. So I'm going to explode this. We're going to go in. So we need to unlock this. But first thing first, I'm going to kill this phantom. So, and the bridge is this way. So I hope there's no phantoms nearby. Kill that one. Grab the key. I'm all out. Oh, this is not good. I'm out. Oh, sweet. Okay, there's more right here. Alright, let's go up. Kill this phantom. Good. And then we'll unlock this and we'll get our prize then. Kill that. See Cosmo, whatever. And get one of these. And that is how you complete Meet Cosmo. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you did, hit the like button and comment down below. Thank you.